Hey friends, I am back again with another fountain pen related video. So today I am showing to you a cheap Indian fountain pen and a budget friendly and a good quality fountain pens made in India. So firstly I am going to show you 120 rupees a Indus Hunk fountain pen. So this is Indus Hunk. As you can see, this is very nice normal cylindrical shape pen with a black top finial and the bottom of the pen is also black. This is a screw type pen. Let's see how much takes this pen open. Only 1 ton, and this pen has a very nice clip, very nice springy clip, very nice, very functionable, and a ring on the clip also nice. And this pen has very nice number 4 platinum tip nib with a plastic feed, and this pen has very nice black section, cylindrical and comfortable. This is very lightweight pen, as you can see, very nice in hands. This pen capped very well. And let's open this pen first. This pen has a converter, so this pen easily takes this converter. And before writing with this pen, let me tell you the another colors. This is green, gray, red and yellow. This one I broke myself. From these 5 colors, I personally like this yellow and blue more. This is Indus Hunk, very nice Indian, beautiful, budget friendly 120 rupees fountain pen. And let me show you this one. So this is Indus Swan. A Swan is a Indian and also an England made company. This model is directly copied from that Swan model. Anyhow, this is very nice because Click, Oliver and many other companies also make this type design in their pens. This pen clip also very functionable and very nice steel cap. The caps open in 1.5 turns and reveals the beautiful slim section. Nice, beautiful number 4 nib. But this nib has not written anything. Yeah, this is a platinum tipped nib, but this is very nice. Plain. Wow, this is rare. This pen has also a converter type system. This pen is very beautiful in this green color, as you can see. Black, gray, red, blue and green. I love this green one, and this brand's Indus showing over there. This pen cost you around 180 rupees and this one 120 rupees. This is full plastic. This is half steel, half plastic. But I am loving these two models because this is totally made in India Swadeshi pens. And let's check this pen's writing. For Indus Hunk, I am using Brill Blue. This is beautiful Indus. Nice. Indus Hunk. This pen glides on paper. Whoa. Smooth. Fine. Wet. Nice. As you can see, this is very nice smooth nib. This has a very nice pencil type feedback, and I am that kind of person who loves this kind of feedback. I love it. For 120 rupees, I think this is 101% worth it. Very nice pen, Indus Hunk. So for Indus Swan, I am using Brill Green. Pen is Indus Swan. Again, very nice, smooth writer. Smooth, fine, wet. This is a dry ink, so but I feel this is very nice wet, but paper soaks it nicely. If you like little thicker section, so this is for you. If you like little slimmer section, so this is for you. This is very nice comfortable writer. Both are comfortables. This has very nice beautiful back steel finish screw type thing. When you hold this is very noticeable kind of thing. Feedback pencil type, which is I loving. For 180 rupees, this pen is also worth it because this has a steel cap, and if you are a steel cap lover, so this is for you. But if you are a full plastic pen lover, so Indus Hunk is your friend. I think both are great. So if you are an Indian, these pens definitely in your collections. So friends, for buying this pen, kindly message on their WhatsApp number showing on the screen. I personally love this blue, yellow in a Hunk and a green, and this beautiful black in Indus Swan. This black looks very classic in hand. So if you want to gift this fountain pen to your loved ones, so this pen is the great choice. Both this pen comes in this transparent box, and this is very unique from the others. Personally, I like this packing too, because many others send this type boxes. This is very common, but this is very unique. For 120 180 rupees, this pens comes with this beautiful boxes, and this is very nice pens for gifting. As you know, this pen is also a great writer too. Anyhow, this is my beautiful review about this Indus fountain pens.